Educational Engineering Academy, EEA, was one of the best decisions I've made for my learning journey. The courses are practical, in-depth, and industry-focused, giving me hands-on experience rather than just theory. One of the standout features for me was the real-world projects included in the courses. They helped me apply what I learned in a way that built my confidence and skills. The instant feedback from instructors and the ability to get personalized guidance made a huge difference in my understanding. The support system at EEA is top-notch, whether it's through the community discussions, expert mentoring, or detailed course materials. I always felt supported and motivated. If you're serious about gaining real skills and getting expert coaching, I highly recommend EEA.
I had an amazing learning journey with Educational Engineering Academy, EEA. From the very first lesson, I could tell that this was not just another online course. It was a complete learning experience. The content was well-structured, easy to follow, and highly practical. I especially loved the coaching sessions, where the instructors took time to answer my questions and provide valuable insights. The live sessions made learning interactive and engaging, helping me apply the concepts in real time. The best part? The EEA community. It's great to be part of a platform where learning is not just about watching videos, but also about discussing, asking, and growing together. If you're looking for a high-quality, hands-on, and supportive learning environment, EEA is the perfect place.